Insight 1. While you're still of sound mind. It's well known that in Australia, we're living longer than we used to, much longer. That's generally a good thing, of course, but increasingly, our bodies are outliving our minds. The incidence of dementia in Australia is steadily on the increase, to the extent that it's now one of the federal government's 9 health priorities, right up there with heart disease and cancer. Of Australians aged 65 and above, how many do you think have been diagnosed with dementia? 1 in 50? 1 in 20? It's actually 1 in 10. And for Australians aged 85 and above, you can triple that. 3 in 10. That's a sobering number, but the reality is that many more people go undiagnosed. So the incidence of dementia could actually be much higher. This is far too high a risk to ignore or just trust to luck. If we're not one of the lucky ones who don't get dementia, we may not have the mental capacity to make wills and appoint enduring guardians and powers of attorney, things that suddenly become vitally important. And any plans we have made, or then try to make, wills included, could be extremely vulnerable to challenges based on lack of testamentary capacity. The only logical alternative is to get your family succession plans in place now, while you're still of sound mind, and make sure everyone involved is fully aware of your plans and intentions, from the outset and ongoing. Having your family succession plans in place will make what is inevitably a very difficult situation substantially easier for all concerned, for you, your carers, and your family members alike. We have the experience and the expertise to work with other advisors you may have, lawyers and accountants, for example, to formulate a family succession plan for you and implement it. A plan that will give you and the people you love clarity and security, and make everyone's life as easy as it can be under the circumstances. And that's what we want, right?